Yo, what's up guys, this is Sam Froster, and today I'm going to show you how to restore a rusty katana. So this is the katana I got a long time ago. Well, it got rusted, obviously, because I didn't use it. Rust is moisture, oxygen in the air. So yeah, we're gonna remove it today. So for this project, you need some certain things. First one I'm gonna try with WD-40. I think you've heard of this one. It removes rust. And you need this green kitchen scoring pad. You need this and WD-40. Let's see if it works or not. So yeah, we gotta spray it all over the katana, the affected area, and rub it with this green thingy. Let's see if it works. And be cautious about this thing, it's dangerous, because I just read it, so yeah. Okay, this thing seems to be working. Whoa. So you know, the second part is pouring some water. Let's do this. And take a cloth and try to clean it off. Oh my god! I see a brand new katana in there. Shit actually works. Because you know, this katana was rusty for a long time, and I did not believe that happened. Okay, so you gotta continue that with all of this katana. And we're gonna do that in fast forward motion. That's it guys, we did it. The WD-40 and the Scotch Brite, the green scoring pad, did it. You can see how shiny it is. Let me shine it in the sun. Can you get it? Can you get it? Is it shiny? Is it shiny? Yeah, it's not that shiny because it's Damascus steel. That's what it's called. It's pretty tough and it is still sharp. The rust did not take away its sharpness. So yeah, and that method with the WD-40 and the scoring pad works with every metal because rust is something that is not that big of a problem, but people consider it too much tough. So yeah, get a WD-40 and that kind of green thingy and you'll get rid of rust immediately. We did this little video for something big coming up, in which me and my friend are gonna be showing you some real skills of ninjas with a katana. So that's it guys for the video. I hope you enjoyed. You know what to do. SOS, that means subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you on the next video. Because you know, we do everything. It doesn't matter if it's cars, science, pranks, they're coming up. Stay tuned to Sam Froster because it only gets better.